Mining equipment is commonly exposed to the harshest conditions imaginable. A buildup of bitumen oil, tar, dirt, and grime, combined with extreme weather conditions, can cause havoc to mining equipment and vehicles. Inefficient operation of machinery can cost a company thousands of dollars in downtime and energy usage, while adding unnecessary strain to equipment, resulting in unexpected repairs. Western Dry Ice Blasting offers a revolutionary industrial cleaning solution strong enough to remove years of buildup of bitumen, oil, tar, dirt, and grime, while helping with the environment by not creating any secondary waste. Dry ice blasting is a non-abrasive, non-toxic, and non-corrosive cleaning method that can be safely used on any surface without damaging the substrate. Dry on contact, dry ice blasting is ideal for control panels, electrical, and other sensitive components. Unlike sand or soda blasting or pressure washing, dry ice sublimates on contact, leaving the surface dry to touch, creating no secondary waste. Located in Fort McMurray, Western Dry Ice Blasting has experience using this revolutionary industrial cleaning solution on mining equipment such as heat exchangers, fin fan coolers, furnaces, variable frequency drives, turbines, and electric motors. Because of the portability of the dry ice blasting equipment, cleaning in place reduces any downtime associated with the maintenance of equipment. Self-contained units can operate safely anywhere in mine or oil sands facilities without support. Fort McMurray's own Western Dry Ice Blasting has the fleet, manpower, experience, and financial backing to ensure your job is done on time and on budget. Contact us today to find out more about how our experience in the oil sands using dry ice blasting can help work for you.